Good afternoon, student. Welcome to this IIT class of class 7. In the last class, we have discussed about light topic, right? So we have discussed about different topics like reflected ray, incident ray, normal, reflected angle, incident angle, and laws of reflection. Yes or not? So little bit we will learn more about some of the light topics, light terms. Okay. So first, what is light? Do you have an idea what is light actually? What is the use of light? With the help of light only we can see the objects, right? Yes or not? So here light is also a form of energy. Okay. So with that form of energy we can see the objects in the daytime and also in the light. Okay. So next, speed of light. As I tell you while teaching sound lesson, yes or not? Speed of light is more than the speed of sound. So what is the speed of light? If you have any idea, recall. What is the speed of light? Speed of light is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. I have discussed this. Yes or not? This is speed of light. Okay. From where does we get light? Can this chalk piece give light? Can this paper give light? So what are the things which use light? From where we are getting the light? What is the source of light actually? See, the source of light are two types. One is artificial as well as natural. So that is called as first thing, natural source of light is nothing but just sun. Yes or not? Artificial source is nothing but light in our rooms, electricity lights, candle. These are all artificial. So natural source is nothing but rays of sun. Okay, this is the natural phenomena. And next we have two type of objects, luminous objects as well as non-luminous objects. What are the things? Luminous objects as well as non-luminous objects. Name itself says luminous means which will emit the light, which is the source of light, which has the power to give light. It is called as luminous object. Non-luminous object means the object which does not produce any light. This chalk piece doesn't produce any light, yes or not? Whereas a torchlight will be producing light. So torchlight is a luminous body, chalk piece is a non-luminous body. Will the duster produce any sound light here? No. So the duster is called as non-luminous object and the chalk piece is called as non-luminous, whereas sun, candles, all these things which will be burning, these all produce light, yes or not? That things are called as luminous objects. Next, see, in the night time, can you see the objects without light? On a full moon day, can we see any object without light? See, sun is producing some light, right? That is the reason we are seeing in the daytime. What about night time then? Who is giving light for us? Though not as much as sun, but who is giving light? By thinking that moon is also a luminous object, yes sir. Moon also will get moon from light. We can see we will observe. We will define ourselves that moon also will be passing the light rays, but moon does not have any light. Sun will be burning, so it produces some light rays. Whereas moon does not have any light rays, but it will be spreading light due to reflection of the sun. As this is the sun, yes or not? This is sun, this is the earth, yes or not? If moon is here, so what happens? The sun rays falls on the moon as well as it will be falling on the moon also. No? On the earth it falls, so the people will be having daytime. Okay, whereas some of the light rays will be falling on the moon or not. So what happens when these light rays touch the moon? They will be reflected back. That light rays falls on the earth. That is the reason we can see some of the light in the night time also. Okay. The reflection of the sun produced by the moon is called as, we think that the moon is also a luminous body. Moon is a non-luminous body. Okay. Next, we will study about what we call transparent, different types of media. Transparent, translucent, opaque. Before going to say about this, children, see, I am holding a paper here, right? Can you see the light that is falling on that? Can you see what is there other side of the paper? Can I guess it? But in the same way, when I am like this here, any medium is there between us, between the window and me. Air is a medium, right? Air is a medium in between us. Can I see from the air the other side of the window? Yes, I can see. If I keep the paper is a medium in between us. Can you see the other things which are towards the paper on other side? I could not see. Yes or not? So some objects can be seen, some objects cannot be seen. So what are the objects? The objects which we can see, the other things, that is nothing but the object through which the light passes. For example, if the window is there, your classroom windows are glass, made up of glass, so you can see what is going on outside. How can you see? Because the window is transparent. Because the window allows light to pass through the glass. That is the reason we can see the other objects. The transparent is nothing but which allows light to pass through them. Got it? What are transparent medium? What is transparent medium? The objects which allows light to pass through them. That is the reason we can see the objects beyond it. So it is called as transparent medium. And next is translucent. So here transparent segment which allows only little, not completely we cannot see. Only partial amount. Take a paper, put some oil drops on a paper and then keep it. Can you see the objects? You can see just only the shape of the object, not exactly color and all those things. How we can see from the glass window? We can say that it is some object is there other side, but what is the object? What is the object color? We can't say. We can see only partial image of the other side. That is nothing but only partial light is passed through that. Only half light, little light. That is the reason we can see only little structure which is outside or beyond the paper. Which allows light partially to pass through. Okay. Next, what is opaque object? Opaque object is the object does not allow any light to pass through them. For example, if I am taking this book, we kept like this, I could not see what is the other side because light is not passing from this book. Yes, or it is not reaching my eye. It is just stopping here and it is reflected back from it. That is the reason I could not see what is their other side. So this type of objects is called as opaque objects. Objects that do not allow light to pass through. Transparent means we can see what is the other side of the object. Okay, transparent we can see only partial object. Opaque we do not see at all. Some more examples of transparent medium is slot. Air is a transparent medium. Glass is a transparent medium. Still any other mediums, windows, all those things. And next transparent. Transparent means only partial light. So for example, we have different types of partial lights. Yes or not? So this is partial is oil, paper, water, the windows with different shapes and designs. Okay, which do not allow light to pass through them. That means, for example, TV, a board, this board after this wall, light does not travel. Yes or not? It is called as opaque object. Now, let us learn about some terms related to the light or path of light. See, always the light always travels in a straight line. Yes or not? So here, first thing, how light travels, how it is extended, how it is produced from the source. So we have two types of light sources. First thing is point source of light. See, See, point source of light. Best example is pinhole camera. Point source of light. Best example is pinhole camera. Okay, because in the pinhole camera, in the first, if you pinch a hole, just from a small source, the light is entering there. That's why you can say that it is a point source of light. And for example, you have a bulb, small bulb. For example, if you take a small LED bulb, yes or not? This is also this produces a point source of light. Whereas some candle is also a point source of light. From this point only light is emitted. And next is extended source of light. Extended source of light is nothing but best example is sun. Yes or not? It is emitted rays all over. Okay. Other than sun, you can take best example as tube light also. We have tube light here. Best example of this is, it is extended source of light or not? So this is a one source of light as well as extended source of light. Thank you. This is the class for today. If you have any doubts, please comment down. And next, or else you can WhatsApp me. Next class we will learn about path of light, ray of light, all those things. Thank you.